lot of greenery. We are heading to Stade's Farm and Market and we are going strawberry picking. Stade's Farm Market. Open daily 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now we have to find parking. Yeah. We're going to park under the shade and we could park on the grass because it seems like everyone is parking on the grass. We're here! This is the menu for today. You pick options available today. $7 minimum purchase per person required to enter fields. Yeah, we're going to get the forecourt for $20. Let's go. Hello. Here comes the golf cart. Oi. Thank you. Sure. Oh, I feel the wind. Feel nice. Apparently we can get on the golf cart ride and then they will drive us towards the strawberry field because it's quite hot today. And that's a surprising service that I did not know that they had. I believe the lady have mentioned that if we do decide to walk, it would have been 15 minutes to walk to the fields, but we don't have a hat, so we'll take the service. These are the apples here. They're going to start the picking season for apples in August. Right now they're tiny little apples and we are here.
I would stay, don't go any wider than the benches.
Oh, okay.
Go all the way, you can go all the way that way, but anything, if anything wider than the benches, those rows past the benches, there's not as many strawberries as are right in here.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's start picking. We're going to the middle area. This is a forecourt size red bucket for the strawberries. It's $20. And $20 will get 3 people in. So you can combine the minimum pay for the entrance for this bucket for 3 people. Here are some strawberries here. We are going to pick the red ones.
The reddish ones?
Yeah, the white ones are not ripe yet.
So like this.
Sweet, right? And one of the perks to strawberry picking is being able to eat it on the spot. Sweet. I'm going to show you some good strawberry picking.
Okay, show me.
If you see strawberries that are really deep red, go for it. They are going to be really sweet. For example, oh, this one gone bad. Hold on. It might need some time. Yes. These strawberries look good.
Yeah.
You see it? But I would pick it from the vine just because, yeah, I don't want it to be ripe so fast. Okay.
Okay, I found a good one.
Yeah, good job. You have to dig deep here. You have to kind of like explore the bushes. And you gotta keep looking. You can see a comparison. You see it? There. Oh, it gone bad.
Oh.
You need to turn it around.
Yeah.
So right now, when I saw this,
It looks
really nice. And then you turn it around.
In the back.
Oh, what happened? Nope, that was no good. This is what we got so far.
A long way to go.
There's a bug. No. There's a lot of cute ones here. This one's cute. I think a lot of them has been picked already because we're kind of late for this strawberry season.
Look, GMO. No kidding.
It look GMO, right? It's such an odd form.
We can take it.
I know my man's tired. Oh, they're not ripe yet.
Wow.
Sarasa picked a really good one. Really red, dark red. I just know that one's sweet. Oh, there's one right there. Is that one?
Yeah.
Yes, pick it.
Let me check the quality.
Check the quality.
Oh no.
It's okay. If you take it out and then you don't like it, just eat it. Yeah.
Not as red.
This is how you know they're not ripe yet. You can totally tell. They're not red at all. I found a good amount. Woo. I'm glad I'm not a farmer. This is a lot of labor. This activity is tiring. Oof. Strawberry picking requires a lot of stamina. Almost there.
Heart-shaped strawberry.
Yay, Sarasa found a heart-shaped strawberry. Yes, cute. Found some good ones. Oh, I dropped it.
Oh no.
We're done strawberry picking. Yay. Tip of the day, don't wear white or light colored clothing in strawberry picking. Yeah, there's a stain right there. There's a stain right here. There's a stain right here. My fingers are stained from eating the strawberries while picking it. Wow, this is heavy. So heavy. You see that flying? It's a dragonfly. Oh, it's a dragonfly. Okay, we're ready to go. It was nice while it lasted. Also, half is for animal feed, half is for the market for humans to eat.
Yeah, he plants 40 rows at a time.
40 rows?
40 rows, a quarter-mile long.
Quarter-mile long.
And that's every 10 days.
That's the raspberry picking. Yeah, the veggies. Veggies are here. If you finish strawberry picking and your hands are red and sticky like us, there is a washing station. The washing station is near the porta potties. Man, I have to work for this water. Okay, that's it. Welcome to Stade's farm. Wow. It smells good too. It smells like donuts. Wow, they got strawberry cheesecake popcorn. They got Australian licorice and it's strawberries. Interesting. Oh, look at the lanterns. Look at the lanterns. They're cute. They're strawberries. Oh, pie.
Oh, you gotta make it.
Wow, they got pie fillings here. Oh, it's pretty big. Bigger than I thought. They got pancake mix. We just finished picking strawberries, so everything strawberry is very interesting to us right now. Well, at least to me. That's so cute. Back on the road. We are heading to Panda Express so we could eat and use this $10 gift card. Oh, I see Panda Express. We are finally here at Panda Express. They also give a lot of portions. Not too spicy.
I guess that's it.
Yeah. That's like our third roundabout. We just stopped at a Costco gas station to fill up gas, and now we're going to go inside, maybe buy some eggs and look around. We got pumpkin seeds for sampling. They're raw and organic. Home Depot stop. We just left Home Depot and there's really not much there. We went to check the plants and we were hoping for some deals, but not much luck there as well. Maybe next time.
What about the one in suburb? I forgot which one it was.
We are heading to Navy Pier and we got free tickets to the Ferris wheel, and after that we're watching the fireworks.
What was the Irish pub in a cafe?
We're parking at level 8. We are here at Navy Pier. Okay, the heat's back.
Hopefully not long one.
We'll see. I haven't been here since 2 summers ago. I was also riding the Ferris wheel. I think the line is going to be very long. Look at this line. Woo! It's long, all right.
You don't know how other people
We're almost there. There are 6 stations here. So cool.
I always want to play it.
Well, that was fun. We were chit-chatting with some of the tourists from New York, and they are here for a few days. It seemed like they are enjoying our city, which is really nice to hear. And they also mentioned that Chicago people are very nice and friendly, so that's great. This is night view and it is beautiful. We just got out, by the way, so yeah, look at those lights. Woo! What a magnificent view. There is a swarm of bugs flying around that light. Oh my goodness gracious. Beautiful. Yep. Wow.
So guys, we're at the lake. Wait, guys, this is more content. Like they do what
And here we are. We ended the night with fireworks. Sarasa can't catch up. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Toodaloo.
Bye.